Hello, this is Professor Dr. Furkan Karabekmez, co-founder of International Advanced Masterclass. In this masterclass, I will be leading the hands-on clinical training sessions conducted with fully consented model patients in a licensed medical setting. Our focus will be safe, anatomy-based aesthetic techniques, emphasizing complication prevention, precision, and clinical judgment. This program is not about shortcuts or trends. It is about mastering techniques responsibly and ethically under direct supervision. I look forward to working with you in this executive educational experience. In aesthetic medicine, true expertise comes from understanding anatomy, respecting tissue biology, and applying techniques responsibly. During this program, all hands-on procedures will be performed on consented model patients within licensed healthcare institution and strictly under supervision. I will guide participants through dermal filler techniques with toxin applications and combination treatments and complication management, with a strong emphasis on patient safety. Each step will be explained not only as how to do it, but why it should be done that way. This masterclass is designed for professionals who value precision, ethics, and long-term clinical excellence. Aesthetic medicine is evolving rapidly, but the foundations remain unchanged: anatomy, safety, and ethics. In this masterclass, we will work with model patients who have provided informed consent, ensuring a professional and ethical learning environment. I will personally supervise all clinical application, focusing on technique selection, defect control, vascular safety, and complication prevention. Participants will not only observe, but will learn decision-making process behind each intervention. This program is designed for those who want to elevate their practice responsibly and build confidence grounded in science, not trends. We look forward to hosting you in Ankara in May 2026.